What's going on YouTube? This your boy DeVintage, back with another video, man. Today, you read the title. We got a pair of sneakers from GOAT app, and we got them on the new with defects on the section right there. You know, they got like the new, they got the used, they got the new with defects, and I think they have, I forget the other feature, but I got my pair from the new with defects, and I got the package. Got the package right here, and like I said, GOAT ships straight to APO addresses, so I didn't have to go through my boy DaRetroWizKid. Shout out to him for sending these to your boy, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to DaRetroWizKid. I'll link him in the description box below. And yeah, GOAT is probably my new go-to until I get back to the States. So GOAT about to get a lot of money, but I make a lot of money off your boy, because there's a lot of girls want to go back and get. And yeah, I don't gotta pay the little extra shipping. I gotta ask, you know what I'm saying? It's just getting tedious when you gotta like ask somebody to do this and stuff like that. I like doing stuff for myself. It's nothing against nobody else, but yeah, GOAT about to get a lot of my money, a lot of it. So got the package here. If you're not subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you subscribe right now. We're around at 20K. Shout out to all the OG subscribers, all new subscribers. We're gonna get there very soon at 20K. Follow me on Instagram at DeVintageWorld and ring notification bell so you never miss another post notification, video, live stream, whatever we do on the channel. So let's get into the box. Got the box cutter. Get inside there. Get inside there. I haven't did a review over GOAT in a while. Maybe I'll do this like review on how to get the sneakers and stuff. The shipping was only 10 bucks. Like I said, I am in the APO address, so I mean I'm overseas. And yeah, I think this is new. They got the GOAT verified right here. Check it out. On the box it says GOAT verified all across the box right there. Check it out. And you can kind of see by the box we got some Yeezys in. We got some Yeezys. We got a 0 right here. It's only the 0. What do y'all think I copped, man? I think it's only one with a 0 in the middle.
Boy, if you don't get...
That sounds crazy. Hey, but you already know. Oh, it's backwards. Oh shit. We got a Yeezy 700, another colorway in the collection, man. I had to add this one. I've been following this shoe for so long. I showed it in a lot of my vlogs. That shoe store museum. They got a lot of clothes. They got Ralph Simmons. They got Pharrell, Human Race. They got a lot of stuff. And I was wanting to cop it, but it's €300. And I got these for a great price. It's new with defects. I could have got a new pair with no defects for the same price, but I wanted to check out this feature and bring that review to you guys, my subscribers. Like I said, you got the GOAT verified all around the box and that black and white right there. And let's pull these out. Let's pull them out. Oh, these come tight just like the StockX stuff. Nothing else in the box. Set this to the side. And yeah, here you have it. So I'm guessing that I brought up that point where it had the Adidas logo on the other 700s. They do come on, I guess, all the 700s. Here you go, check it out. Over here, you got Yeezy Boost 700 made by Adidas. Boost. And then you got the size label, check it out. Turn that brightness down so y'all can see what it's looking like. There you go, Yeezy Boost 700. Y'all go ahead and read that colorway. So you already know what it is, man. So let's get into it. Size 9, my size as always. And yeah, let's get into it. Peel it open, peel it open. Woo. Let's see what we get. So with GOAT, you get this right here. I got these verified by JR. Check it out. I probably have to show some B-roll on that. It's kind of bright. Got them from JR. Got the little GOAT verification thing right there. Got another one. Check this out. Check this out, y'all boys. I got one that said KA, and I got another one that says JR. So I guess they double verified it. I don't know. So I got 2 of those. That's new. I never got that before. And we're gonna peel it open. And yes, sir, I finally have my pair in hand. These things is fuego, bro. Check them out. Check them out. Yeezy 700. Mauve joints. I'm glad I finally got them. As y'all know, I've been following these for so long. Like a lot of my vlogs, I talked about them, and especially with me copping these first, I was like, I gotta go ahead and cop the Mauve joints, and I finally have them. Check it out. Check it out. And yeah, here we go. Yeezy 700 Mauve. So now I have the solid gray wave runners. Now I got the Mauve joints. Next on the list, you already know the statics. These right here look so dope on feet. Cannot wait to drop it on feet for you guys. It was so crazy. Just, I put them on feet. I didn't take the StockX tag off yet, but I wanted to throw them on. And I was like, these mugs is so fire, bro, on feet. But yeah, let's get back to this like review over GOAT. Peel the other sneaker out. Nothing else in the box. gonna close it up real quick. And yeah, so I bought this shoe on the new with defects. I'm gonna show it on the B-roll. And it said midsole discoloration on the right shoe. So here go the right shoe, and I am not seeing any discoloration on the midsole. Let me check and make sure that's what it was. Let me check. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all which section I got it from on the GOAT app. So it says new with discoloration. That's all it says. I don't see no discoloration on this shoe, but I'm gonna show y'all where I copped this one from. Let me go ahead and pull up a sneaker, and here you go. I mean, not pull up those, it was trash. Pull up another sneaker. So here we go, Fear of Gods, and you have new, you have used, slide it over, buy used. Then you have new with defects. That's where I bought my sneakers from, and I wanted to see like how it comes out. So I did get these defected from GOAT app, not clickbait. I really got these joints so I can do a review and see if they lived up to like the condition of the shoe, and it really did. I don't see no discoloration on them. And the other section that has, I forgot, was offer. You can offer whatever you want for the sneaker. So like I said, I got these for 260 bucks plus $10 shipping. So I got these for under retail. And like I said, no discoloration on the midsole at all. Maybe I'm tripping, but I don't see any discoloration. I'm trying to check it out now, but I don't see anything. These things just, I don't know, like the wave runner just caught me out of nowhere. Like, it's like, get me, you know what I'm saying? Like, and they fire, bro. They really fire. I kept seeing them on a lot of people's videos, kept seeing a lot of outfits. Like, I gotta get them. And now all I need to get is the static joints. That probably will be my next pickup, maybe sometime around March, because we got the UNC one, the UNC patent leather ones dropping. We have the, what's the other one's called? Oh, then we have the turbo greens dropping, which we'll be releasing in my local sneaker shop. So hopefully I can cop them joints on Friday. I'm off on Friday, so I'll be probably the first one up in that thing. Probably cop 2 pair. I like them a lot. So we got those turbo greens, we got the UNC patent leathers, and I already got the infrared 6s. So I might cop them the week after I cop the turbo 1 greens and the UNC patent leather woman ones, whatever, you know what I'm talking about. So yeah, I'm gonna cop them static joints, man. These 700s is very fire. Can't wait to throw some fits on. Can't wait to do our own feet. And yeah, so this shoe did live up to its potential with me buying the Defected, because I do not see any discoloration on the shoe. So people that come to this video might think it's clickbait that I bought shoes defected. I didn't. I did it just so I can do a review. And maybe the seller wanted to sell it faster, even though it was the same price as I could have bought a brand new for $260. They listed it as $260 with defects, and I honestly do not see any defects on the right sneaker. Like I said, I got this straight from GOAT. Yeah, you can't get no better than this. $260, $40 on the retail, straight to my crib. I almost got here faster than I got these right here, which is crazy. But these I don't like way better, but I do put these over these. And the statics probably go third. I just want to have more 700s in my collection, just like a one lover. Everybody want to cop a lot of ones, but me, 700s is like, I gotta get them, bro. Gotta get them. I gotta get a pair of 500s as well, a pair of 750s, and I did not mention I want to get a regular V1 edition of the 350 Yeezy Boost. But those things going for crazy numbers, and yeah, might have to wait off on them. Say do some restocks or something. And of course, these right here got 3M on the inside of the shoe. Got 3 stripes right there. You kind of see it right there. But I do not think that these are 3M like these right here. I'm pretty sure they're not. But we're gonna see an on feet. Maybe I do like a double on feet video or like a double review over 700. But I will be doing a how to lace 700 because I want to do like a little twist to it. I want to do something different with the 700 that I have not seen nobody do yet. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy that. Like I said, hit that notification bell for your boy so I don't miss a video, like an updated video about this. But like I said, me buying this shoe defected from GOAT app turned out very good. I want to bring my experience to you guys. Do not be afraid to cop a sneaker that is defected, because they might be, you know what I'm saying, brand new. They just listed it as defective so they can, you know what I'm saying, so cheap people gonna check out like used stuff or defective stuff because the price gonna be lower. But turns out these were the same price as a new pair, and yeah, I got them for that $260, $40 under retail, man. So Shouts out to GoDap, appreciate that. I just checked these sneakers on StockX and they're going for $290 now. So I'm glad I pulled the trigger. Got them way under, not way under, but a lot under StockX. And got them on the Defected side. I brought a review to you guys. Very soon I'll bring a how to lace tutorial over the 700s. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Smash that like button. Let's get the video up to 100 likes. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already. Go follow me on Instagram at DeVintage. The link will be in the description box below. Go give my boy DaRetroWizKid a follow for helping me out on these solid grades or wave runner 700s. And like I said, stay tuned for the next video. Friday, I will be copping those turbo greens. Trust me, I'm probably gonna bring out along with me camping for them because I'm camping for them things. I ain't paying no shipping, nothing like that. We're getting them straight over here for under retail. So yeah, stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe, notification bell. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.